Hi class, today we're going to work with clauses. That'll be our focus for the week for grammar. Let's review what a clause is. If you look at the top of the page, a clause is a group of words that has a subject and a verb. We've already talked about independent clauses. They can stand alone as a sentence. But if you have a dependent clause, those cannot stand alone. Dependent means it relies on something else. You are a dependent right now. You're relying on your parents or your grandparents to raise you. So dependent means they cannot stand alone. They rely on someone else. Dependent clauses usually begin with a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions are before, when, or because. So if you hear those words, that's a clue that it is a dependent clause. Let's look at your assignment for today that you're going to be working with. The directions say, read each clause. On the lines provided, write a capital I if the clause is independent, which means it could be a sentence and stand alone. Write a D if it cannot stand alone and it's dependent. Underline the subordinating conjunction if it's a dependent clause. Let's do a couple together. Number 1, she got a perfect score. To me, that sentence can stand alone, so I'm going to put I for independent. It's a good sentence. It's a good clause. Number 2, because she was so smart. Because she was so smart. Ooh. Because she was so smart, what? We don't have a complete sentence here. This clause is definitely dependent. So I'm going to put my D on the line, okay, and I'm going to underline my subordinating conjunction. Did you pick it out? It was because. Okay, so I'd like you to finish this assignment. Make sure you go back and read all of my directions first before you open up this resource in Connect Ed. Good job.